In this video, we are going to see how the Portuguese found the sea route to India and why they found the sea route to India. After the decline of Roman Empire in the 7th century, the Arabs had established their domination in Egypt and Persia. Direct contact between the European and India declined. The easy accessibility to the Indian commodities like spices, calico, silk, and various precious stones that were greatly in demand was affected. In 1453, Constantinople fell to Ottoman Turks, who were on the ascendant. Merchandise from India went to European markets through Arab Muslim intermediaries. The Red Sea trade route was a state monopoly from which Islamic rulers earned tremendous revenues. The land route to India were also controlled by the Arabs. In the circumstances, the Europeans were keen to find a direct sea route to India. Under the Treaty of Tordesillas, the rulers of Portugal and Spain divided the non-Christian world between them by an imaginary line in Atlantic beyond 1,300 miles west of Cape Verde Islands. Under the treaty, Portugal could claim and occupy everything to the east of the line, while Spain could claim everything to the west. The situation was thus prepared for the Portuguese incursions into the waters around India. The arrival of three ships under Vasco da Gama, led by a Gujarati pilot named Abdul Majid, at Calicut in May 1498, profoundly affected the course of Indian history. A voyage was undertaken by Pedro Alvarez Cabral, established a factory at Calicut, where he arrived in September 1500. Vasco da Gama set up a trading factory at Kannanur. Gradually Calicut, Kannur and Cochin became the important trade centers of the Portuguese. In 1505, the King of Portugal appointed Francisco de Almeida as a governor in India for a 3-year term. In 1507, the Portuguese squadron was defeated in a naval battle of Diu by the combined Egyptian and Gujarat navies, and Almeida's son was killed. The next year, Almeida avenged his defeat by totally crushing the two navies. Almeida's vision was to make the Portuguese the master of Indian Ocean. His policy was known as the Blue Water Policy. Albuquerque, who succeeded Almeida as a Portuguese governor in India, was the real founder of Portuguese power in the East. He acquired Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur in 1510 with ease. The principal port of the Sultan Bijapur became the first bit of Indian territory to be under the Europeans since the time of Alexander the Great. An interesting feature of his rule was the abolition of sati.